Pranam to all of you. And it's now 12:30 midnight in India and 4 a.m. in Japan. Hello, Japan. Good morning. My name is Maruti J.K. Sharma. From Bharat, we are promoting the concept of Vedic age mathematics. The mathematics are being taught and learned in Vedic curriculums thousands years back. And in this mathematics, we are just trying to share the concepts of fundamentals of calculations, fundamentals of number theory, and many more sections of mathematics will come to interact in near future. We are starting in this particular session from calculations and number theory. Let me share my screen. I hope my screen is visible to all of you. And as many of teachers programs wherever I have conducted, whether it is SCRT New Delhi, SCRT Haryana, or across the globe, online and offline in India, different schools wherever we have organized some programs. Many teachers asked, what is Vedic mathematics? Is it only calculations or it is something beyond that? In this 2 to 3 minutes clipping, I want to share one basic idea. Let us start from one fundamental rule. In our calculation processes, if we start from here, let's say number 10. And the problem is, how many natural numbers can divide this number 10 exactly? We know that there are 4 natural numbers, 1, 2, 5, and 10, which can divide this number 10 exactly. Then how it is coming out? If we go by the fundamental process of Vedic mathematics, the breakup of 10 is 2 into 5, and the index of each 2 and 5 is here as 1. Since 2 and 5 both are prime numbers and their indices are 1 each, we know that 2 index 1 can have 2 divisors, 1 and 2 only. Similarly, for 5 index 1, we have 2 divisors, 1 and 5. In first column 2 divisors, second column 2 divisors, total we have 4 divisors. Now, which are those? It is interesting to understand the process. It is horizontal crosswise. Horizontal means multiply horizontally like this, 1 cross 1 is 1. And crosswise means multiply crosswise, that is 1 cross 5 is equal to 5. Similarly, I can take 2 into 1 and 2 into 5 also. Therefore, we have seen here, sorry, it was 5. These are 4 natural numbers which can divide the number 10 exactly. How simple is it? Our children from class 3, 4th, and 5th can just make column processes and they can generate the result by applying horizontal and crosswise rule. Another good concept I would like to share in this session. We have seen in many books it is given that if we are dividing a number a by index of 2 or index of 5, then the result is always terminating. The actual details we'll discuss in our regular program, but I want to point out one basic thing. Why this result is terminating? Had you ever thought? Okay, let me explain here. Because we are working in the system of decimal, and in the decimal number system, we know that there are 10 symbols, which are 0 to 9. And if we write decimal as 10, decimal system, we are denoting by 10 symbols, counting 10. 10 is having 2 prime factors. We have just seen in the previous example, 2 into 5. Therefore, in any base system, if the divisor format is the index format of the prime factors involved in making that base system, then result will always be terminating. I mean to say, In decimal, if the divisor is having indices of 2 and 5, it is terminating. Let us change the base as 14. And in this base 14 system, if I am dividing a number a by 2 index p into 7 index q, then it will terminate. And what is the fundamental rule of base theory? We'll discuss in a detailed session. Thank you for joining this time. It is 12:35 IST, midnight. And definitely Japanese are enjoying at 4:05. Pranam to all of you. We'll meet again. Thank you for joining today.